In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly shut down your PC or laptop using just your keyboard. Let's get started. Method 1. Alt plus F4 shortcut. Close all applications. Press Win plus D to focus on the desktop. Press Alt plus F4 to open the shutdown dialog, and press Enter. Method 2. Win plus X. Open Power User menu. Press Win plus X. Press U to open the Shutdown or Sign Out menu. Press U again to shut down. Method 3. PowerShell command. Press Win plus R. Type PowerShell and press Enter. Type shutdown/S/F/T0 and press Enter. Method 4. Command prompt. Press Win plus R. Type CMD and press Enter. Type shutdown/S/F/T0 and press Enter. Method 5. Task Manager Shutdown. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. Navigate to File. Click on Run New Task. Type shutdown/S/F/T0 and press Enter. Method 6. Slide to Shutdown. Press Win plus R. Type slide to shutdown.exe and press Enter. Method 7. Power menu from Start. Press Win to open the Start menu. Press Tab to navigate to the power icon, then press Enter. Use the arrow keys to select Shutdown and press Enter. Method 8. Scheduled Shutdown with Command. Press Win plus R. Type shutdown/S/T120. This schedules the PC to shut down in 2 minutes, 120 seconds. Adjust the time as needed. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.